Good day. This morning I will be flushing the transmission of this L200 Mitsubishi. I won't be able to hold the camera and do the work, so I'll be explaining what I would do or I am doing until the flushing starts. First, you have to disconnect this line right here. I made up this, connect it to that line, and I've got that, which I mark 1 to 3/4 and a half on it. So the hose would be going into there, connecting onto there, and I would start the engine. I'll be taking it out by 3/4 because what would be in the line should make up for the 1/2 quart. So I'm going to pause this video, do the connection, and resume. Good day. This morning I will be flushing the transmission fluid. To do that, you have to take out this. This was like that. It's a 10. You take out that, which is a 19. This is that. It's a 19. You connect to the hose. That's the intake hose, and you run the hose to a jerry can. That jerry can, I have it marked 3.5 gallons. I measured it, but I would be only taking out 3 gallons because of what the hose have in it, and I would be topping it up with this. I'm going to flush it 3 times, twice, and see how clean the fluid is. With all that said, let us begin. Let me make sure that I don't have any tools that would fall on the fan. Traveling. Okay, let me put okay, this is the first flush. Yeah, I would be transferring the fluid from this container into another container. I'll continue the flush, but I won't be showing everything until the last flush. I will resume the video. This is the fluid that came out of the vehicle. It's still a bit dark. It is still dark. Let me top up some oil. Here I've completed the automatic transmission flush. This is it. I connect the line at the bottom is the intake. The line at the top is the returner. I've put the guard back, put everything back as is. I'm not quite satisfied with the color of the fluid, but I went according to the bottles I had, which when the owner do get back on island, I will be doing another flush. By then it should take care of that. This is it for this video, automatic transmission flush. If you enjoy or learn something from it, please like, comment, subscribe, click on the bell icon so you'll be notified of